All right, so you are welcome in this class. So in this section, it is now how we can convert our text to speech. That's what we have to do now to convert our text. The quote we generated and we copied and pasted somewhere. I believe you pasted your own somewhere where you can easily access it. So the work we have to do here now is to convert it to speech. So you're going to go to, you can use your Google Chrome to Google text to speech, AI text to speech. There are many of them, but the one we'll be using in this video is voice booking. So you can later on research, and that one will be for your own good. Tutorial, we're going to use voice booking. So just Google www.voicebooking.com. It will bring you to a menu and to pages where they will be asking you to fill in some of your details, like your email, your password. You have to create an account. I didn't want to go through all those processes to save time, because I've done that at least in the past 2 sections, so I believe that won't be difficult for you again. Then for this voice booking, they are going to send email to you for you to verify your email. So provide correct email and keep your password safe. Okay, so when you have done that, you have successfully created an account with them, and then you will go to verify your email. It is when you click on verify email they send to you that it will bring you to this page that I am now. So when you have clicked on it, it will bring you to this page, and then you are going to click on new project. All right, you're going to click on what? This new project here. So let me click on it so that it will take us to where we'll be converting the text to speech. So you have to know some certain tools here that we'll use to edit our work. The first thing is you have to give your project name. Okay, then the next thing is the voice. You have to choose whether it is a male or female voice that you need, which is what is handled here. They have already chosen a voice for us by default, but we're going to change it. So if we click on this drop down menu here, this drop down button, it will now give you the options to choose from, whether you want a male or female voice. But wisdom quotes, if you have listened to any before, you will discover that it's normally an old man voice. So we're going to choose a man, and then check the one that suits what we want to create. The one that has bars, we have to edit it to, we need to reduce the speed. So the next thing is the speed here. We're going to consider that too. If necessary, we're going to consider the pitch. I don't think so. The next thing that is also important is emphasis. So maybe there is line of word that you want the AI to emphasize more on when it gets to that place. So these are different tools that we're going to use to edit our work, to convert our text to speech, and it will look and sound interesting. So first thing is let's give our project a name. Okay, so let me give it a wisdom quote 1. All right, then for language, they have already put English there, but you can generate a text to any language of your choice: Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, any of them, French, any of them. All right, so let's go to this. Let's choose robot. Under voice, let's choose robot, a male voice. You can choose a female voice, you can choose a young man, old man, and all of that. All is that as you practice in this field, you get to know things more, and you get used to it, and you'll be able to produce a better result. So then let me go and copy a quote that I would like to convert to speech and paste here. So let me copy this one. I like this one. The more I live, the more I learn. The more I learn, the more I realize, the less I know. Okay, let me copy this quote now. Copy. So I will now come and paste it. The more I live, the more I learn. The more I learn, the more I realize, the less I know. All right. So let's now come to the next things to consider now is the speed. All right. So you click on speed. So normally wisdom quote is always calm and cool. So I'm going to edit this text now based on the speed. All right. So for you to edit any text now, the speed, the pitch, the silence, the emphasis, you have to select this text first. So let me select everything. Okay, then I will now come here and then edit it, reduce the speed to 0.96, let me do it 0.96. all right, and then I will now click on apply to all of them. So it is now applied. So I'm going to play it. All right, I'm going to play it now for you to see. Let's hear the work we have produced.
I live, the more I learn. The more I learn, the more I realize, the less I know.
Okay, so the speed is okay, and the voice is also okay. It looks like what I'm looking for. So you can play around with these tools. You can keep on playing around with it. If you're not okay with this kind of with this voice, the one you generated, you can still play around with the speed. You remember, before you do that, you have to select the text, and then this apply button will be highlighted when you have done the editing. But you have to select the text first, and then change the duration, check the pitch. I love what it is giving me right now. So I'm going to save the work. The first thing to do is to save the work. Click on save before download. All right, so I will save my work. Then I will click on, after clicking on save, I'll now download it. So it says file downloaded. So let me go and look for it and confirm where I can find it. Look at it here. I clicked on open.
The more I live, the more I learn. The more I learn, the more I realize, the less I know.
I think it's okay. So all right, so I have downloaded the audio. So let me go and find it. I'll go to my file and then look at it here.
The more I live, the more I learn. The more I learn, the more I realize, the less I know.
So it's when we'll be combining both the image we generated with this speech that we have also generated, and then we'll now combine it together, and that image will now be speaking. The more I live, the more I learn, and we'll now move to editing the video entirely, and we are good to go. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next class.